No more. They did earlier.
Yeah! I don't know if they work. Looks like
I'm not throwing them at you, Gil. I'm throwing them at your son.
I don't give a damn.
I got a lot of ants.
Oh, you gotta open up the pack and everything.
I am gonna sting a little bit.
It took some effort to get to these suckers.
Alright, so what's these things right here? What's these things? What's these big round balls?
Oh, those things, you gotta throw them, you have to put them out. Stupid. Oh, those are big.
Really? Oh, you gotta throw them out! Oh, you gotta throw them out!
Would you like that to be in your hand?
You got them sitting here on the car, man.
Oh! That was my hand!
That was a good shot. Good job.
What are these things?
Oh, I know what I'm doing. Slow!
She is quite pleased with herself right now.
Living off
Oh, that's those
Oh my
things that
God.
flare.
Daddy, come here.
What?
Did you get that one at least?
I did.
Okay.
I don't like those things.
Hey, focus on the one.
Give it a break, Megan.
Oh, these are cool.
Save it for later and then
Okay,
forget
so like
about
the
it.
Roman candle things, Gil, are those better off in the backyard where we can
No.
put them in?
I'm having so much fun.
Oh, so we can, light them?
Yeah,
You know,